In this video, we wanted to share with you as to how the era of easy government debt might be over and why the bond market is pushing back. Let's try and understand what's actually happening. For the first time in a generation, governments worldwide are facing resistance from investors when issuing long-term debt. A recent spate of lukewarm auctions in countries like Japan and the US is a stark reminder that the era of cheap, long-term funding is drawing to a close. This shift marks a profound change in the dynamics between the governments and the bond markets. So, what's driving this change? A couple of key factors stand out. First and foremost, the rising supply meeting diminishing demand. Governments are issuing record amounts of debt to fund pandemic spending and other initiatives, while the central banks are offloading bonds they bought during the quantitative easing period. Traditional buyers like the pension funds and life insurers are pulling back either due to the demographic shift or the changing investment strategies. Secondly, the higher yields and the debt sustainability concerns. With the demand waning, yields on the long-term debt are climbing to their highest levels in decades. This means that the governments must pay more to borrow, adding strain to the budgets already stretched by higher interest costs. In some countries, debt service payments now rival spending on key areas like defense and education. And thirdly, the market power and the political tensions. The bond market's influence is growing. As the supply and demand mismatch persists, the risk of fiscal pushback, similar to that of the UK's 2022 gilt crisis, becomes more pronounced. This dynamic is forcing governments to confront uncomfortable questions about the debt sustainability, spending priorities, and political stability. This brings us to the return of bond vigilantes. The concept of bond vigilantes, investors who push governments to maintain fiscal discipline, dates back to 1980s. Now, with the global debt levels at record high, these forces are re-emerging.